So we can go the other way. If they give us the vertex, so they're going to give us a vertex, and they have to give us another point, some point, then we can find the equation of the quadratic equation. All right. Let's say the vertex is 4, 3. And let's say the point is 8, -5. All right. So go to your vertex form. It says f of x is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. But remember, when you know the vertex, you know h and you know k. So we can put those in. X minus 4 plus 3. Okay? So that's not too bad, right? Okay. And now we're going to say, well, how do we could multiply everything out, but we don't know what A is. That's the problem. We know the formula, right, at this point, except we don't know what A is. That's why we have to use this point over here. Now, remember that point is x, comma, f of x. So I'm going to put in a -5 for f of x. The A I don't know. I'm going to have to figure that out. Oops. I know the x value. So it's like I'm putting in this point, I'm putting in the x and y, and then I'm going to be able to figure out what a is from that. So here's my x value, 8. So I'm putting that 8 in there. And then here's the output, the -5 for f of x, and I'm putting that in there. Okay, now don't make this any harder than it has to be. So we're going to go ahead and do the math. This is a times 4 squared plus 3. -5 equals, okay, 4 squared is 16, so that's a 16a plus 3. Subtract the 3. That gives you -8 equals 16a. Divide by 16. Divide by 16. And so it turns out in this case, a is equal to -1/2. Okay, now we can go back and we can write it either form, but I would probably just go with the easier form. So now I can say f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k, but now I know a, h, and k. So my equation becomes f of x equals -1/2 x minus 4 squared plus 3. And that's the equation then for that quadratic function. If I know the vertex and I know a point, I can find that. Okay, the trick is to find A. And this is kind of a good little point to do this because it'll prepare us for stuff later on.